Guys, today I've got something really exciting to unbox. It is the Rode Wireless Go. Why is it exciting? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, for a while I've been looking for something to take on the go, a kind of audio system, microphone, call it what you will. Up until now in the studio I've kind of been using the Rode Video Micro, and that sits on top of my camera, and you know what, that's a very good solution. But quite frankly, I am pretty jazzed about the fact that Rode have brought out this wireless microphone system. I kind of shoot lots of video out and about. I've got DJI Osmo Pocket, DJI Osmo Action, I've got a GoPro Hero 7 Black, I've got the Canon M50, and I've also got the Sony A6400, which actually I've had for a few weeks, but it's still in the box. I need to kind of get that out of the box and start using it. But for the best part, the audio on the M50 is not so great if you're just using the onboard camera microphone. Plug in the Rode Video Micro and you know what? Different dimension. The sound quality is just so much better. So that's great for being inside. Now, being out and about when you've got like an Osmo Action or a GoPro or an Osmo Pocket or something like that, it's a small form factor. So there are some ways now to add external microphones, because the internal microphones, you know what, they're not too bad, and through different software iterations they've become a lot better. But that said, they don't really block out ambient noise very well, so you'll always have that background noise. It doesn't really focus in on your actual voice. So for the best part, you know what, it's okay while you're out and about. It's got a lot better. But having a better microphone system, especially if you've got like an Osmo Action on the end of a pole or something like that, you really kind of want to, because you'll be moving the device a lot further away, you really want to have something that is going to be clear. So this, guys, I think is the solution. Now this box contains a receiver and a transmitter. It kind of has two windshields, like the dead cat, I suppose, if you want to call it that. There's USB cables, there's the cable that connects from your camera to your transmitter or receiver, and also a pouch to kind of put it in. So this thing works on 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission, and they say that it's up to 7 hours battery life. So you know what, let's get this unboxed and just see exactly what this looks like. So as we open the box, there's a picture of a lady, and she's actually wearing the actual microphone, so you can actually plug in a lav mic into this, which will give you good sound quality. But if you don't want to hook wires in and all the rest of it, this thing's got a built-in microphone with the dead cat that goes on it, and I believe it's supposed to be pretty good. But you know what, we're going to do some sound testing and stuff like that, distance testing, in another video. So let's continue to open the box up. There's like a little tab here. Get that open. So the first thing we're kind of greeted with on this cover is a quick start guide, and that just tells you about the displays and the jack points and the USB connections and so forth. Open it up, it tells you about the transmitter, holding the button, how you set this thing up, and there's a QR code to access more information. So guys, as we look inside the box here, we've got the receiver, which has the display on it. And that display shows you things like battery power, signal strength, and whether you're synced up with the transmitter. And the transmitter here has pretty much nothing, no displays on it at all. So just pop them down there for a second. If I take this section of the box out, in these two little slidey bits here, we've got two USB-C cables, so you can charge up both of these devices simultaneously. So that's good. I think 7-hour battery life, and it takes about 2 hours to fully charge. Looking into the box a little bit more, you have this SC cable, and that plugs straight into the receiver unit. So into the side there, that plugs in there, and of course the other end goes into whichever camera you've got. Now, sure, for the M50 and the Sony cameras, this will plug straight into the camera jack. For things like the Osmo Pocket and certainly the GoPro, you kind of need to have separate adapters. So you'll need to have a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, and then you can use this cable and that microphone. And I'm going to be back with some videos that show signal strength, distance, sound quality, and also showing you this connected to other devices, and to see how you might be able to use that for a more portable rig if you're out and about vlogging and you need to have decent audio quality. Further on into the box we have a kind of warranty label, so yeah, whatever. You have the two dead cats, one here, one there, and they kind of clip on to the two units. Both these units, I'll tell you, they're extremely light, but not sure why there are two dead cats, but yeah, there are. And lastly, in the box you have the pouch to kind of put everything in. So very strong Velcro. That's it. Don't you just smell? Don't you just love the smell of new stuff? Anyway, so guys, let's have a look on the transmitter. You have a jack for the microphone, so if you want to plug a lavalier microphone into here. You also have the microphone itself. There's a battery LED and also a signal LED, and on the back here you have a power button. So on the back here you also have a clip, and that enables you to clip that onto your top, and that's pretty cool because you've got the microphone built in here. So you know, if you want to pop that onto your shirt like so, then you kind of can, or indeed if you've got a lavalier mic, you can plug that into this socket. And of course you have your USB socket, USB-C socket. On the receiver, you've got a pairing button on here, and you've also got a dB gain button, so you can kind of turn the gain up and down, which is pretty cool. You've got a display on here which gives you various information like signal strength, as I said before, and battery life, and to show you that it's paired up. You've got a button here to turn it on. Going to the other side, you've got your USB-C connector, and you've got your connector to plug your SC cable into. So all pretty straightforward, and obviously a power button to turn it on. So let's just power this up, just move some of this stuff out of the way. And there it is, display is on. And immediately this is telling us that we've got half a battery, so it's kind of charged, there's good signal. We don't see the other device, but I've got to turn that on. So guys, this is it with them both switched on. So you can see that we've got the levels going up and down with my voice, so that's pretty cool. You can watch them go up and down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also see that this one, the receiver hasn't got so much battery in it. It's probably got half a battery. The transmitter has actually got a full battery. I don't know if I can just get that to focus in eventually, and you can see that, and it's showing good signal strength, so why wouldn't it? They're right next to each other. So yeah, I mean, all in all, looks like this is going to be a very useful device. So like I said, I'm going to be back with some tests, testing the audio quality, etc., and just kind of seeing how this performs in real life, distance and sound quality, and also how it looks on other rigs such as the Osmo Pocket and the Hero 7 Black. So guys, that's been the unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go. This is a wireless transmitter and receiver for a microphone to put on your camera, and the nice thing about this, they're all just clips, clip onto your shirt, clip onto the hot shoe, cold shoe of the camera, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how this performs. So guys, for now, that's it. I'll be back in a few days with my first impressions of how this actually functions. And thanks ever so much for watching, guys. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.